Now, there's not just React, there are also alternatives. React, of course, is what we'll cover in this course, but there also is Angular and there would be Vue.js. And there are others like Backbone or Ember. But Angular and Vue are the most popular alternatives. And I can only recommend diving into these two to really pick your favorite. I also got courses on them if you are interested. All three of them are great at creating highly scalable web applications that look and feel good to the user. Not so much an alternative is jQuery. You might think it is one, but jQuery is really only about traversing the DOM and targeting elements in the DOM. Now, as you saw in our example, React is about just declaring what you see and focusing on the logic instead on focusing on the how. And therefore, React, Angular, and Vue allow you to create more powerful applications because you can focus on the logic and your business model and not so much on the technical side of actually reaching that element you wanted to change.